Hello everyone, welcome to Ref Sports. I'm Srishti and I'm here with the fan perspective from the day 5 of the Badminton World Championship and a mixed day today we can say, because the morning was good but the evening, as far as fans are concerned, it was not good. So let's start from the start. In the morning there was a lot of crowd, like more than day 1, right? Because Trisha Jolie and Gayatri Gopichand were playing, and when they won the match, a very sweet moment happened where we saw Trisha and Gayatri hugging each other, and also Purela Gopichand was there, and he also like hugged his daughter. So a very wholesome moment, which literally entertained the fans a lot. And after the match, I spoke to a few fans, and they were very happy with the ambience and also with India's win, and they were also expecting that Satvik Chirag could win this particular match, but unfortunately that did not happen. And there is a lot of things which happened today. Apart from the fans, the BWF World Championship merchandise was also a thing about which everybody should talk. Usually we see that merchandise, they have a lot of varieties and many things, and right now the BWF merchandise have very limited kind of collection, right? So that was something about most of the fans were not happy. Like everybody wanted that, mascot plushies and the soft toys, but they were not getting it, so they were not much happy about it. And the merchandise had a collection of like some sort of tote bags and keychains, umbrellas, bottles, t-shirts, things like that, nothing more than that. So yeah, and apart from that, a big group from Bengal came. They were from the PG Badminton Academy from West Bengal. So they came and they shared their views as well. They talked about the ambience as well, and they also said that they want to create like a future. They want to create the future for the Indian badminton. And we all know the super fan who has tri-colored beard. So we also managed to talk to him as well, and he promoted badminton like in a next level, which we can say. And then in the evening, the crowd was insane. The crowd was a lot, like more than you can expect. But the moment Satvik Chirag were in the verge of losing the match, most of the crowd started leaving. Like people were leaving in bunch, right? So, and they had the disappointment on their face, because when the match was going on, we all know that the famous like Bharat Army group, we have seen them earlier in cricket matches as well. They were there, and the moment India lost, they left as well. So yeah, like a mixed day again, I would say. Fans were not happy with the end result which happened in the evening. Satvik Chirag, getting eliminated from the championship. So yeah, that was a thing. And apart from that, the fans, if we talk about, yes, they were happy with the ambience and everything. They were happy with all the things which were taken care of. They were happy with the management. And also I met a small kid, and you guys must have seen the video as well, where that kid said that he plays badminton and in future he wants to represent India. So yeah, mixed day, can say a good kind of day, because a lot of fans were there, a lot of engagement was there. Apart from that, hopefully we can just hope that the semi-finals could go in India's favor. And for more such news updates and latest news, keep watching Ref Sports. Thank you so much for watching.
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Rev Sports. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Rev Sports, your favorite destination.